Okay, are you ready, folks? The Crazy Hulk's forward bounder thingy. Let's hit it.
Okay, so you found the glitch.
Yes.
You have to go in any boat, doesn't matter which one,
And look at Hulk.
and look at Hulk. So the glitch is that you go in the boat, pause it when you're in the air, and the time's at 0. So start. The time's at 0.
The game doesn't end until you stop moving.
Yeah, the game doesn't end until you stop moving.
And he will never stop moving because this is a jetpack. I'm gonna stay here all day.
It will take all day.
Maybe a month, year, weeks. Oh, it's a little slowing down. Slow down! You're not!
Don't hit the arrows.
Yes. I can't move it. No. Look at his speed. Stop moving. Look at his speed on. Stop moving. Look at his speed on.
Okay, that's the glitch.